The new garden really had a hard day yesterday in the sun. Gets a late afternoon sun on the other side. So some of those little plants were really struggling, burnt in the sun. I have to put some cloth over to protect it. But look at these ones here. Remember, these seeds were planted a few weeks ago. And look how beautiful they are. The melons and the pumpkins. Yeah, boy. This is the one that just scorched in the sun. There's a little bit of life left there. But look at this. Sure. And look at what's coming out here. Butternut. Planted it a week ago. This is awesome. Look at that. Here's another one. Great stuff. Great, awesome. Here's another one. Super excited for the summer garden. Here at the back we have more cucumbers. So we'll put the trellis up in due time against the wall. We should be sorted with having loads of cucumbers. Tomatoes coming to the end. I'll plant more tomatoes because it's the summer coming up.